Yeah. Nigga, y'all done put that fire together at body head, nigga. I'm in this motherfucker now, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Show you how we do this shit, nigga. Gonna start off at the body, and we gonna bust this bitch head. We gonna take it to the body. Made a deal with the devil, so you don't want to touch me. Pussy, you're lucky that things don't get ugly. My daddy always told me catch a nigga from the knock his ass off. Express was on my ain't nothing but me phony, my nigga. I keep it real with you. Jump stupid and body head gon' deal with you. Both of your jaw swollen like the measles. The only man can save you is Jesus. I say a prayer for you, for I dispose of you.